Raise and sound. Yeah. Hello, it's Dave from Boasting Industry Company Limited. The video here today is about our electric bike for kids. This electric bike with very fruitful asset on decoration. First, let's have a look on the side. We have a LED bed decoration in the curve here on the both sides. And in the front, we have a LED light decoration also. And the flashing light bed in both sides. So in the night, it will be very cool and attractive. And also in the bottom, we have flashing lights here. On the left hand here, we have a headlight switch. And here is the speed limitation on 3 steps. And here we have a horn. The horn species is in the rear. Okay, it's very loud voice. The sample here is on brushless motor with drum brake, and also based on buyer's request, you can choose a brushed motor with lead acid battery, so the cost will be lower. And also on the graphic, depends on buyer's request, we are offering different design on the graphic. Okay, I think that's all. For the latest prices, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye.